Now, children aged 5 years and above could soon start getting COVID-19 vaccination once the Ministry of Health approves the proposal. The ministry says the proposal to include that category in the list of those eligible for the jab is on the table and could be concluded soon. Now, this comes as the country continues to record an increase in the number of COVID-19 infections, a scenario that has forced the Nairobi Metropolitan Services, in partnership with the Ministry of Health, to launch the COVID-19 Vaccination Acceleration Program to boost vaccination numbers in the country. And as Raquel Mugai reports, the ministry is also targeting more than 800,000 youth who've just completed their KCSE.
The last few weeks have seen a steady increase of COVID-19 infections registered in the country. In the month of May alone, the positivity rate rose from a low of 0.6% at the beginning of the month to a high of 4.4% at the end of the month. In the last 24 hours, 100 people have tested positive from a sample size of 1,759. The positivity rate now stands at 5.7%.
A confirmation, of course, as we took a walk through the facility here and talking to the medical officer in charge, he says he's continuing to see an increasing number of patients coming to him with upper respiratory tract infections. And we'd want to urge the county medical officer of health to make sure we have available the rapid COVID test so that we can be able to protect those that the patients are going back to. If they are confirmed to be COVID positive, it's always fair that we urge them to, though isolating themselves in their houses, but follow the isolation protocols even in their houses.
That, however, compounds an existing problem that the Ministry of Health has been dealing with over the last 1 year since COVID-19 vaccination began.
But we still have a few pockets of challenges, especially in the informal settlements like where we are, where we have high, what we would call a defaulter rate in terms of people coming for their first vaccination.
It is for this reason that the Nairobi Metropolitan Service, in partnership with the Ministry of Health, launched the COVID-19 Vaccination Acceleration Program in Kibra, Nairobi County, as it seeks to boost vaccination numbers in the country in a bid to achieve herd immunity.
Tuko na watu milioni 26, 26 million Kenyans ambao bado hawajapata chanjo. We have got millions of vaccines sitting in our stores available to be for vaccines.
The Ministry of Health is now deliberating on whether or not to issue the COVID-19 jab to children aged 5 and above. In countries like the US, all children above 5 years of age are eligible for vaccination against COVID-19.
We are very keen to reach the more than 800,000 young people who completed KCSE.
We did not tell Kenyans to pull off the mask. We asked Kenyans to take off the mask if you are out in the open and alone. But if you are in a gathering or in a meeting in an office, kindly keep your mask. So let us reiterate that again. That was our directive. We never told anyone to put off the mask.
The Ministry of Health says that the country is yet to experience the 6th wave, but the fact that vaccine immunity sheds over time, health officials are concerned and are urging Kenyans to come out and get vaccinated. Raquel Mugai, Citizen TV, Nairobi.